Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. As you can see today, I have a big box in front of me, but I tell you, I will say this, I have said it for the last couple of months, this is another small box. You know, we were out of town for almost 2 weeks, so I just didn't run through nearly as much cleaning stuff. So this is my Grove box this month. Let's get in here and see what I got. So in case you don't know, Grove is a customizable auto shipment service that delivers things to your home. They used to just be mostly cleaning things, but they've added a whole clean makeup component to it with their new company called Roven. And mostly, I just love the convenience of it. I have a Mrs. Meyer's addiction. I actually didn't get my spring things in this box. I am behind with all my boxes, and I actually have another box that's getting ready to ship, and it'll have my spring Mrs. Meyer's stuff in it. But you control when this ships. If you want it every month, you can get it every month. If you want it to come only when you ask for it, you can do that. If you are a VIP member and you just spend $20, it ships for free, no matter how many times a month you do it. I just love the convenience. There are some things that I get that you will see in my box when I unbox it month after month, unless I happen to get stocked up on it. And I will try new things. Let's see what this month has. So I'm going to go ahead and take these things out of here because I only have 4 little things this month. So this is going to be a super quick video. And 2 of the things you guys have seen so many times that you're probably like, yeah, we get it, Catherine. I use the Method Daily Cleaner every day in the shower. My husband and I both use it, so I go through one of these a month. And then at least weekly, I use the Method Foaming Cleanser. I use them constantly. I get them almost every month. There are months when I think I have enough to get through, so I might skip it, but as a rule, I get those every month. What I also thought, and this box is a little the worse for wear, what I also thought I would try this month was a Tom's Simply White with fluoride. I am using a Colgate whitening right now, and you know, and I'm sure you could say this about anything that you use on your body or in your home. If you read some of the ingredients, they're scary. And I thought, you know what, let's see if we can find a more natural version. So I'm going to give this a try. I will let you know below what I think about it once I've tried. I may just go ahead and skip right to this and start using something that's better for me, but I feel like I want to quit using all of the stuff. But I do want my teeth to be healthy and as white as they can. I don't have super white teeth to begin with. And the last thing that I got, yep, it's that quick a video. The last thing I got is this dish drying mat. It's just my husband and I. And I mostly do dishes by hand, or he does them. He's very helpful with that, I should admit. Let me give him credit on the YouTube. My husband is very helpful with the dishes. But I have a dish strainer, but sometimes there are things I don't want to put in there, or I have a little more than it holds easily, and or I have less than it needs. I will just take one of these out. I had a Norwex one, but it's getting a little old, so I thought I would try this. And it's just kind of cottony on one side, and it's just a big pad. And the inside is super foamy. You probably, I don't know if you can tell how thick it is. It's kind of thick and foamy. And then this side is just the gray, and then the back side is that pretty cotton stripe. And the paperwork says, because I do like to read paperwork, our dish drying mat instantly creates additional drying space, a much needed commodity in the kitchen. Use the organic cotton side, so this is an organic cotton, for dishes, pots, and pans, and the breathable mesh side for fragile stemware and glassware. I'm really glad I read that. I did not know. I would have used this side for all the wet stuff, but interesting. It fulfills all your drying needs and can easily be stored when not in use. Machine wash, hang to dry. So it's made in India. It is 100% organic cotton. It is a 100% polyester back and a 100% polyethylene inner. So that is what I got that for. I just either only have this many dishes, or like on holidays, and if I still decide to do them by hand, I have too many for my dish strainer. And I just like the way this look. I thought it would look nice in my kitchen. That is it. That is all I have for Grove this month, which kind of proves my point of you can make it suit your needs. You can get a lot. I can put some links up here if you want. I have done some Grove boxes where I have just constantly, because I needed a lot of cleaning stuff. This month I did not need much, so I didn't order much, and it still shipped free. That's what I love about it. And these stay in my cart, so I don't have to think, did I remember to? They're in there. They're just always in my cart. So if you have any interest in this, I will put my link below. When you sign up, you get 5 free products. Generally, you get the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and the Mrs. Meyer's counter cleaner. And then they usually put in 2 other products that are their products. When I signed up, I got a tray that I set each of my Mrs. Meyer's products on. It's a little pottery tray that's white, looks gorgeous sitting in my kitchen. And I received some, I think, walnut scrubber sponges that I really liked a lot too. If you sign up and spend, I think, $20, you get those 5 free products. Just putting it out there in case anybody has any interest. Thank you so much for being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.